The Central Bureau of Investigation will today grill Mamata Banerjee's nephew Abhishek Banerjee's wife Rujira in connection with the coal smuggling case. The questioning is likely to take place at her residence in Kolkata after Rujira requested that the probe agency question her at her house between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. today. Yesterday, the CBI grilled Abhishek Banerjee's sister-in-law Menaka Gambhir in the same case for 3 hours. The CBI issued a notice to Rujira after her name cropped up in the coal scam probe. Sources in the CBI say that the material found during the raids hint at her alleged involvement in the case. While the TMCs described the summons to Didi's first family as a bid to intimidate, the centre has denied the charge. The Union Home Ministry has claimed that the CBI does not work under its command and is investigating on its own.
Sir, another important aspect is the West Bengal elections, where there is allegations being levelled against Home Ministry, in particular with Amit Shah, that there are EDs and CBI being misused. How do you counter that, sir?
For your information, ED and CBI cannot comes under.
Not comes under. But the allegation that is being levelled by the government, by Mamata Banerjee government.
That is a baseless allegation. There is a baseless allegation. जो भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसीज है वो अपना काम करते हैं. सरकार हर दिन हर विषय हर प्रांत का कोई हम उसमें हाथ नहीं लगाते.
Over the years we have been alleging there is a large scale corruption has been taking place in the state of West Bengal in collusion with the ruling parties Apaches. CBI during the course of their investigation has found out the relations between those criminals, those coal mafias, those cattle smugglers with the ruling parties' political Apaches.
Let me take this across now to Suryagni Roy, who is joining us live from Kolkata. So, Suryagni, today, anytime between 11 to 3, we're hearing that the CBI will be questioning Rujira. So far, it's clear that Abhishek Banerjee's wife wants to cooperate with the investigation. Suryagni, we'll reconnect with you. We're having a bit of a problem with your audio. We'll reconnect with you to get those details on exactly when we're expecting the interrogation by the CBI. Here's what is the controversy. Rujira was in fact born in Thailand. She was born in Thailand but resided in Delhi at Rajouri Garden later. Now, the entire controversy has come up because in 2019 it was revealed that she was a Thai national. But then in her passport, it is revealed that she got a PAN card without mentioning that she had Thai citizenship, and she managed to get that PAN card. And besides that also, she's mentioned in her official documents a citizenship as Indian. This is where a big question mark has come up. There have been several discrepancies also that have come to light with regards to her father's name on her PIO card as well as her OCI card. That's a person of Indian origin card and her overseas citizenship card as well. So all of this has also led to the spotlight being on Rujira and this entire controversy, not just over the coal scam, but also over her citizenship. So clearly, Rujira Banerjee is not new to this kind of controversy or being in the spotlight. Besides the coal scam, I just broke down also the information about how there have been questions about her citizenship and about the kind of documents that she possesses. But right now, the focus is on what's going to be the big developments in the coal scam. Now, it's a day after that Rujira's sister has been questioned, that she's also going to be interrogated by the CBI. Her sister Menaka Gambhir was questioned yesterday by the CBI.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.